she and James knew each other, and so.
Well, we lived in Madison, Wisconsin for 7 years before moving to DC, and we moved here summer of 2022. So we started walking around DC to figure out which neighborhoods we liked, and then pretty quickly after that we started looking at houses. Pretty quickly after we moved. Yeah.
Well, it took us just under a year to actually find the one house, but I don't even know how many. I think we've lost count.
We've lost count
after
of how
looking
many
online
houses we
and
looked
looking in
at.
person. And James was incredibly patient with us.
Very patient.
And our pickiness, but we eventually found what we wanted.
We found the perfect house. Yeah.
Just having space that we can do whatever we want with.
The light. I'm excited about all the light that the house gets. That was very important to me, to find a house that has lots of light, which is incredibly hard to find in DC, but we found it. So, in the middle of a row house, which is great. I'm excited for the neighborhood. Well, we chose Mount Pleasant because it is near Rock Creek Park, and we like to skate and run and bike and go for walks. And it's near a metro, so it's easy to get places. And it's just a really cute neighborhood. It has it's right there near everything, but it's quiet and intimate. So.
And everyone that we talked to that lives there
Loved
it. And everyone that you talked to that used to live there said they wish they lived there still.
Yeah.
So don't get
Don't
impatient.
settle. There is a house out there that might not be the perfect fit. Nothing's perfect, but it'll be close to perfect. So, and you'll make it perfect. No, but we found everything we wanted. We wanted light. We wanted in a nice neighborhood. We wanted near a park, near a metro. Lots of light. I said that twice, and we found it. And good craftsmanship, which we also found. So it is perfect.
You just have to be patient.
Yeah, you just have to be very patient.
James has the patience of a saint.
Yes.
He's very responsive to any questions or things that came up whenever they did.
But also working with our preferences. So taking our preferences and trying to find the right fit for us. So that was very important. And the patience. So much patience.
Well, we learned that don't be afraid to just lose a house. There's going to be another one that'll come along. Might take some time, but it'll happen.
But also when you find a house that you really like, be quick to put an offer in and don't be afraid to bid. So I think that was what we also learned. Yeah.